Are you a tailor? Are you a fashion designer? Are you an apprentice? This particular video is for you. Lately I've been seeing some persons complaining, both offline and online, that tailoring business is difficult. Some of my students, my apprentices, they will start along the line, they will stop. I will call them and like, what is the issue? They're like, tailoring is difficult. Tailoring business is not easy. But I want to tell you something. Yes, you that are interested in hearing this, make sure you watch this video to the end. If you are an intending tailor, or you want to be a fashion designer, or you are aspiring to be a fashion designer, I think this particular video is just for you. So come, just listen carefully what I want to say and make sure you watch to the end. Because one thing I always preach is, you must not be like somebody. Be yourself. You get me? Be yourself. Vicky James, you are trying to be like, she was trying to be like somebody. She's doing her thing, she's trying her best. You get? All what I always like to preach is, one, bring out your best. Make sure you try your best before you conclude. Because one, maybe you might feel tailoring business is difficult, tailoring business is not for the weak. Yes, I will not doubt about it, because even me, I know how it's hitting me. Yes, it's not really easy to be a fashion designer or to be a tailor. Okay, but what I want to tell you is, you must not be doing everything in tailoring. What I mean is that you must not be sewing corset, you must not be sewing a suit, you must not be sewing hip padding. You can decide to be just sewing babies, like children wears, and be perfect in it, and just be making your money with that level. Secondly, you might start to be doing just boo gown. Yes, I know of people that are into ready to wear, that are basically doing just boo gown, just free, anything that has to do with free gown, luxury gown, free gowns, and they are making their cool money. So why are you stressing your head? Someone will bring corset to start running from pillar to post, but that thing that you know that you cannot do, you are collecting it to come and be stressing yourself. End of the day, one customer come and be talking to you anyhow because you didn't do it well. Or maybe someone will say, okay, come and do me hip padding, come and do me luxury gown, come and do me beaded clothes. My dear, everybody have their strength. Look at yourself very well and tell yourself, this particular thing, what is my strength? Can I do this thing well? Just look out for your strength. Don't follow anybody. End of the day, na shey that make money. That's why we dey do learn handwork. That's why we dey get skills. Let's make the money. So whichever way that you are good in, you can be good in just two piece. Put in more effort, learn it very well, and keep doing it well. You find out that you'll be making money with it. And make sure you are involved in social media handles and be posting it. Never can tell where the order will come out from. So I just let me bring this to us today, so to encourage those people that are scared. I know some of us, we are scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Why are you scared? Why you dey fear? So I just let me just give us that peace of mind that whatever your strength is, hold it very well and work towards it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.